If you're searching for a reliable Forex broker with fast withdrawals, low spreads, and real cashback rewards, this review is for you. We're breaking down Exness, one of the world's most trusted trading platforms, how it works, what makes it different, and how you can get 20% cashback using the partner code FC219CBWSS. By the end, you'll know whether Exness fits your trading style and if there's any extra welcome bonus you can claim. Let's begin. What is Exness? Exness is a global Forex and CFD broker that provides trading access to major currency pairs, commodities, crypto, and indices. It's known for its transparency, strong regulation, and smooth trading conditions. The company operates under multiple international financial authorities, ensuring secure fund management and fair practices. Traders often choose Exness because of its fast execution speed, real-time withdrawal system, and stable trading servers. In short, Exness focuses on reliability and consistency rather than flashy promotions. Account types and trading conditions. Exness offers several account types to match different trader profiles. You can start with standard accounts, which are beginner-friendly and have no commission. Or if you want tighter spreads and professional tools, there are Pro, Zero, and Raw spread accounts. Spreads on Exness are among the lowest in the market, in many cases nearly zero for major currency pairs. Leverage can be high, but remember, higher leverage means higher risk. Deposit and withdrawal options include cards, e-wallets, and even crypto, and what's impressive is that withdrawals are usually processed instantly. Let's talk about the main highlight. The cashback reward. When you sign up using the partner code FC219CBWSS, you'll receive 20% cashback on the spread or commission you pay while trading. This is not a temporary bonus, it's an ongoing reward that helps you save money every time you trade. It's especially valuable for active traders because the more you trade, the more you earn back. Now, regarding welcome bonuses. At the moment, Exness does not offer a global welcome or deposit bonus. Their focus is on providing stable trading conditions rather than promotional offers. However, the 20% cashback via FC219 CBUS acts as a long-term benefit that often ends up being more practical than a one-time gift. Pros and cons. Let's keep it balanced. Here are the key advantages and limitations of using Exness. Pros: very low spreads and fast trade execution. Instant deposits and withdrawals 24/7. Multiple account types for beginners and pros. Strong regulation and a transparent trading environment. Cons: no traditional welcome or deposit bonus in most regions. Educational resources and research tools could be more extensive. Regulations vary by country, so some features may not be available everywhere. Overall, Exness focuses on quality and speed rather than marketing gimmicks, which is why many experienced traders trust it. How to register and get cashback. Here's how you can start trading and get your cashback. Go to the Exness website. Click Create Account. Enter your email and password. In the partner code field, type FC219CBUS. Complete verification and make your first deposit. Once you start trading, your cashback to 20% of the spread or commission will automatically accumulate in your account. It's straightforward, no extra steps or complicated forms. So, is Exness worth using? If you value transparency, stable performance, and quick fund access, Exness is one of the top brokers available today. It may not have flashy welcome bonuses, but with the 20% cashback using code FC219CBUS, you get consistent, real financial benefits over time. Always remember, Forex trading carries significant risk, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Use Exness responsibly, take advantage of the cashback, and focus on improving your strategy step by step. That's the full review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading insights and honest broker reviews.